I'm Arthur for Electro-Voice and Dynacord in the UK, here today at PLASA Leeds Focus, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the booth. We're going to start off with the Dynacord electronics. In the corner over here, you can see the top of the range flagship TGX20 amplifier. This is actually 4 channels, and this is 4 times 5,000 watts. We do have a 4 times 2,500 watts, but touring, applications, lots of power, small unit, 2U, excellent bit of kit. On top of here, you can actually see our preview software, which is our line array prediction software as well. So 3D simulations for festival sites, for venues. You can do this all in our own software. Moving over the side here, going to the installation amplifiers, we have the IPX series, which is this one here. IPX10.4, so what this means is 10,000 watts split over 4 channels. All these amplifiers are Dante on board, primary and secondary. Obviously all the amplifiers have our own SonicQ software. We're going to go into a bit more detail later on with Leisuretec in some really sort of deep dive seminars about the software itself and the amplifiers. So yeah, amplifiers aside, moving on to installation speakers. Here we've got the EVF series, front-loaded, horn, 3-inch horn or a 2-inch horn option, multiple dispersions, all in all 6 different variations, weatherized, white, black, fiberglass, anything you need basically for any application. Then we have the EVC, which if you like is the baby brother to the EVF, so a slightly less power rating, 8-inch, 10, 12-inch and a 15-inch available, and also a 18-inch subwoofer. Dedicated install, so no handles, no pole holes, all the brackets to fit both the U bracket or an Omni mount to get tilt and swivel as well. Monitors, everyone needs monitors. We have 2 on the floor today. We've got the PXM12 MP, which is an active 12-inch coaxial monitor. Very compact. I'll show you on the side here, the amplifier module. So you've got 2 line-ins, you've got through, you've got mix-out as well. Phantom power on board. Also has a convenient pole hole, so you can actually pole mount this as well. Multifunctional applications. And then the bigger one beside it is the MFX series. So this is touring. This is the 15, all passive. We do a 12-inch version as well. Can be pole mounted again and can be suspended from truss with a U bracket and a yoke. And then moving on, we've got a little taste of Dynacord speakers here. We've got the TS400, which is a 3-way top element, 4 6.5-inch drivers and a compression driver. And then we have an 18-inch subwoofer, which actually houses the amplifier as well, which powers both itself and the top box. And then a slightly smaller column, but by no means insignificant, is the Evolve 50 from Electro-Voice. This is setting the world on fire. This product is really good. It's so easy to set up. It literally comes in 3 pieces. So you've got a top, a pole, and a subwoofer. Subwoofer drives the top box. All the connections are done through the actual pole, so there's no loose cables. And we actually have a mixer version as well. So we have just a standard Evolve 50 with 2 inputs and a through, and then we have an Evolve 50M which actually has 7 inputs, full mixer on board. You've got effects and reverbs, and yeah, great bit of kit. So that was a quick tour of the Electro-Voice and Dynacord booth here at PLASA Focus Leeds. Look forward to catching up with you all soon.